Yan na.
Yung pink na ito. Pink, yung pink. Ay, yung black nut, yung hat niya, wala pa siya hat. Black. Ay, no, pink first, pink. Yung ano, ito oh, castle, pink, castle. Ayan, lapit mo. It's okay.
Yuri, do you want buko juice?
No, pink. Ayan, pink coffee.
Buko juice?
No, pink only. Oh, yung castle. Okay na. Just do what you want.
Oh no, don't touch him.
Ano? What you're thinking? About this one.
Lagay ko black dito.
Oh, Papa will get water.
Orange muna to oh.
Wala, rage quit. Rage quit eh, bye. Inay na!
Huwag mo sige tulak na.
Helicopter,
Hat niya. Black. That's, ay, sorry. Ito kasi oh. Orange yan oh. Sa forehead niya orange. Yan, black. Slowly lang. Slowly. Sige.
I did not do it that way. I do it that way.
No, huwag mo color yan. Sige.
Oh no, it's scary. It's magic.
Sige, sige.
Oh, it's magic.
Yung bat. Black din yung bat.
Okay, ang
No, it's not Yuri.
Yung bat. Black.
Okay,
Ayan.
it's not bad anymore. Okay.
Bat. Yung nak. Yung bat. Yung bat. Black.
I don't get
Black. Bat.
Oh, okay.
Who hates getting paid?
Sige.
Oh wait, not yet, not yet.
Wait, they didn't sing.
Diyos ko, nakipagay pa ako.
Oh, you're gonna make it one, two.
Sige.
Galing gawa ko, no? Oh, mapaputi sa nalitos.
Tapos, yung mumu. Ano?
Go sit, hindi mo.
Ay, yung ghost. White. White. Just do it
My
yourself.
English goes. Yun ang ano.
Oh, let's finish. Just do it by yourself. Just copy. Okay lang. It's okay.
Galing naman ni Iyon. Ikaw kulay-kulay niyan? Ha? Ilang taon ka na, Iyon? Ilang taon ka na po?
Answer kayo yung
Ilang taon ka na po? How old are you? Right.
Yung star din. Tsaka yung white din. Hindi! White pa din. Same color, white. Sige, ayan o. White. Dapat.
Galing naman ni Kuya Yuri. Galing ni Mama.
Ayan. Yung star din. Yung star.
Galing naman ni Kuya Yuri. You made it!
Sige. Lagay mo ulit ng wall paint. Lagay mo ulit paint.
Tawag siya, yabang mo, di naman ikaw magawa.
Tapos, black again. Black. Yung mouth nila na. Yung mouth. Black yung eyes. Black.
Galing naman ni Kuya Ayon.
Bahala na si Batman. Yan, sige. Yung mouth niya.
Anong kulay ito, Kuya?
Are you purchase?
Anong kulay?
What color? Yung name niya. Color?
Galing naman. This one, what color?
Black. Black.
Black.
Black.
Yung mouth niya. Dapat yung mouth. Okay.
This one.
Tingnan mo yung guide.
Yeah.
Ay, ayun.
Wow, good job.
Sige. Ay, ng arte naman. Natatanggal lang yan mamaya. Sige, lagyan mo pa paint na para magkulay. Pwede mo balik ta rin yung paintbrush mo yung ganyan. Sayang kasi yung paint. Sige. Sige. Kailangan hindi na nakita yung white.
Carding ganito kasi ganito.
Kasi pag wala kulay, broken yung tip niya. Sige. Oh, this one. Tapos lagyan mo name sa baba, iyo. Kasi lagyan mo name.
Okay?
Yan.
Oh, that's enough.
Huwag mamadali, calm down lang.
I need help.
So cute.
We're opening the yellow. Mommy.
Oh, let's open it.
Sulat mo name mo dito. Name mo, iyon. Dip mo yung brush mo, tapos sulat mo name. Name, iyon. Iyon lang.
Color combine.
Ay, gusto mo kulay. Hindi, one color only. Sige, sulat mo name mo.
Kuya.
Ay, sorry po.
Matignan mo orange nila yung
Call mo. Dito, iyon. Iyon lang.
I'm gonna call
Huwag na yung savior. Dito, dito. Dito na.
Another one?
No. It's not that. Look it.
Sige, iyon. Name mo.
Oh, Papa, what water? Let's wait. Can you wait?
Oh, next. Dito. Oh. Sit down. Oh. Ayusin mo. Lagay mo pa. Sige.
Let's wait. I need you to sit down, anak. You wait, anak.
N. Sa baba yung N
Don't
na.
touch anything. Don't touch anything.
Look at this. I just did the whole trick.
Good job.
I have no choice.
Okay na. Ay, yung pink pala. Okay na?
Titigak sa color.
Okay na?
Sama natin sa bahay.
Opo, sa bahay.
Yay.
Ay, malagay-lagay ito pink.
Huh? Combine. Ano combine? Ano combine ba?
Pink. Ito lang.
Hinintay kayo?
Ito lang. Pink lang. Touch mo. Tapos. Ganyan no?
Purple yan. Purple yan.
Purple? Wala purple. Pink lang. Okay lang yan. Around.
Oh, no.
It's
You
okay.
wait. You sit down, anak.
There we go.
Sige.
Let's go hunt it now.
Slowly. Dito. Okay na yan. Enough na yan.
Paint tayo sa bahay. Paint tayo yung mga sa pansulat. Yuri! Wait.
Wait lang.
Ima pa. Wait.
Patuyo mo muna. Tuyuin mo muna. Huwag mo muna touch yan.
Ay, sorry. Dami.
That's enough. Oh, look what you're doing. Look at it.
Sorry.
Cool. See that? You did it. Oh, come on. Sit down.
Linisan mo na natin.
Oh, don't touch it. It's wet pa. No, it doesn't.
If
Oh,
we're going,
wait.
Miss, kunin mo yung mga sa plastic.
pwede kikip.
Tapos sa plastic, ano mo?
Pwede kikip yung dome.
Yung sinama mo.
That's
Kumakain na dito.
Let me go for it. No, it's orange.
Yung hands mo na.
It's not orange.
I need you to sit down.
That's orange.
Eto.
Diba, Miss?
That's red.